What's 9 base 300? 9. How's base 300 go? It goes to the ones place. That's all I need.
Yay.
Right?
Because 300 is too big. It's a big base.
Sorry. All right. So what about? So what were you saying? Which one?
Number
40?
15.
Number 15.
We were gonna do 40,
40.
Yeah,
Let's do 40.
but 15 also confusing.
Okay. I want to change this to base 16, right? Yeah.
Oh.
39885. So which situation is this? Is this where I make the places empty or they're filled in?
Empty.
Empty. Because I'm in base 10 right now. So I don't know what's supposed to go in the base 16 places, right? So you make a little hangman game. I'm not sure how far to go yet. What are the places here? 1s,
16.
16 is good.
256.
256, good.
And 4096.
96, yeah. That's 16 cubed. What's one more place?
Is 65,536.
That's close. And is that too far?
Yep.
Yeah, it's 65,000. I only need 39,000 covered, so I don't need the big dude here.
Yes.
All right, we'll just start right there. And now the math is the same. In fact, on this step, you don't have to bring in any letters yet. It's when you write your final answer, you should make them into letters. So how many 4,096s go into that?
9.
So all you have to do, again, you just take 39,885 divided by 4,096, you get 9 point blah, 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 blah. So 9 of these, and 9 times that, let's see, let's write this down.
3,000.
36.
3,000.
36,864.
864, okay.
Yeah.
And then just subtract. So these guys, 9 of these take care of this much.
Yes.
And then you're just waiting to see, these guys are waiting to see how much work they got to do. So if you subtract those, you get, what do you get, 3,021?
Yes.
6,021.
Right.
3,000.
Now how many 256s go into that?
11.
11?
Yes.
11, and then 20 by 60,
So
20.
we should be put when
That
we
be
write.
put B right
11
there.
gonna be put B.
Yeah, it's a B.
Say again?
It's gonna be.
Oh, it's
B.
okay.
Yeah.
This is just my work. I haven't
Oh.
written the answer yet.
So.
So it's perfectly fine to put 11 there right now,
Good.
if you convert it to what is supposed to be next. There's no need to do several things at once. That's where most people have trouble in math, make it so much harder on themselves. I'm going to put a freaking 11 there, because I got a 256 there, I got a, this is all my thing, and then the final answer I'm going to convert any of these to single digits, right? Where was I at? What is 11 times 256? It's,
2,816.
okay.
Yes.
So how much do I still have left here?
205.
Was it 205?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. And so how many 16s?
12.
12. I like this problem. And again, how'd you get that? 205 divided by 16 is 12 point blah, blah, blah. And then 12 times 16.
192. 13.
Yep, so 13.
So 13.
So there's 13 there. Now,
No.
you write that in base 16. That's not quite base 16 yet. That's kind of the middle work. So I need a 9, an 11, which is
B.
B, a
C.
12, C, and a 13,
D.
D. Base.
16.
60.
So when we finish, we should be write the letters, not a.
Yeah, and you could put the letters here if you want to. But personally, I just want to deal totally with my numbers, and then I'm going to make them into the base 16 numerals, right? So I don't have too much going on at once.
Yeah.
So if you have an 11 and a 12, 13, I'm fine with that up there, but you better not write your answer like this. Because then it looks like you need 4, 5, 6, 7 places. And by the time you get up to 16 to the 6th power, that's damn big, right? I shouldn't need that many places.
So we wouldn't tally these up though?
Which ones?
So we wouldn't say 9?
To check yourself, what could you do? 9 of these, plus 11 of these, plus 12 of these, plus 13 of these better be that,
Okay.
right? That's the easy way to go. If we know what these places are, that's the easy way.
So, but the answer that you're looking for is, on the test will be 9, B, C, D.
Because it said to take this and convert it to base 16. I'd better see the base 16 answer. I already know the base 10 number. I don't need to see that one again. I need to see the new one.
But we need to use the letter format because we're not allowed to use 2 digits for each one.
Because then it looks like you need more places than you really need. Yeah. See, I want this to be one place. Well, then I better have one digit. That's why we had to go to letters. For one digit. Okay. Yeah.
I got the one wrong on the homework.
What's that?
When I did the homework today, I got that one wrong, the C instead of the B.
Okay. Let's hope not too many other ones are wrong.
I just wanted to correct it,
Oh, sure, you can take it back.
because I don't want.
No.
You do number 15? Please?
Oh yeah.
I get it now.
What's
I
that?
still don't. Number 15.
So 15, what base is it in right now?
12.
No, base 2, right?
How would you write down 256 base 300?
Well, that's the thing. 256, what is base 300? Really quick on the side here. Base 300 needs single digits up to what?
299.
Exactly. So you have to first come up with a way. I can go so far with the letters,
No way.
up to Z, and then we got a problem. So maybe you start to say, okay, how about lowercase letters? Okay, now you can go 26 further now, right? Not even 26, 25, because you don't want to use O, right? And then what do you do when you get a base bigger than that? Well, you got to come up with some other symbols to use. Maybe you start using the Greek alphabet, or Russian alphabet, or maybe whatever, right? That's the problem with base 300 is you need so many single digits. Because to write 256 in base 300, you write the digit that you decided to make 256 equal to, right? Like how do you write 11 in base 16?
You can't.
B. Because that's the symbol we decided to make 11 equal to. So how do you write 256 in base 300? Blah. There. I don't know. Right? Maybe that's the symbol we decide 256 is. So it gets really daunting. Base 40,000, holy shit. Let's not talk about that. There are even freaky things like negative bases or base pi. Right? A lot of people are interested in that kind of stuff. Me, I'm whatever. Just playing around with shit. They found some nifty things about base pi and E. Have you guys ever heard of E? E to a power? It's like, that's sort of like Fibonacci, because you throw a few rabbits in a room and E to a power kind of does how quickly they grow, the population grows. Anyway, it's all side stuff. So that's the problem with that. You're right. That's a difficult thing to answer because we haven't set up what the symbols are. And we're not going to in this class. But this guy, what's the other name for this base 2?
10.
What's another name for base 2?
Second?
What's another name for base 2? It's the language that what communicates in?
Binomial.
Close.
Binary.
Binary. Yeah, binary. It's computer language, right?
No.